Hello everyone, my name is Habibullah Qureshi. I'm a photographer and I'm an actor. I was born and brought up in Pakistan. Now I'm based in Dubai. This is my YouTube channel at last. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is my first vlog. I'm trying to record as much as I can behind the camera, front of the camera, whatever I do throughout the day. I'm going to record and I'm going to share it with you. So let's go. I'm heading towards my first shoot today. Let's see how it goes. First thing you do when you reach the set is to look for food. The storyboard tells you what you are doing today and what the scenes are like, so you can prepare. It's a wrap for the first day. It was a very easy shoot. I had only 2 shots today. The rest of the crew is still filming, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow to a different location, and we are going to start off very early in the morning. So my call time for tomorrow is 6 o'clock in the morning. Different location but still in Dubai. So yeah, let's see. So guys, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and Dubai is so hot right now. We are heading towards our second destination. That's where they're going to shoot the next scene. Today is the last day of the shoot and we are going to shoot some holy divine moments in the mosque. Let's get to the set, get our orange juice, and let's get ready for the shoot. And at last, a very long day comes to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed the process. I'm going to share with you when the shoot comes out, when it's released. I'll put it up on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.